Hello guys, welcome back to today mathematics class. So let me share with you how to solve this mathematics problem. This question here, if you're writing this upcoming WAEC and Jamb examination. So this question, what if you find this question in this upcoming exam? So how do you attempt to solve this mathematics question? This is quite very simple, but let me share with you the step by step on how to solve this mathematics question. The question is find S in the diagram above if triangle PQR is right angle. We are given the triangle PQR is right angle triangle at R. So it means that this right angle triangle at this angle R. So that is it has indicates this angle here. It means that it is right angle triangle, which is angle 90. Yeah, if it's something simple like this, it is right angle triangle and it is angle 90. So let's go to the step-by-step solution of this question. Now, we start to find the value of S. We have to study the diagram very well. We have two triangles there. We have the triangle PQR and we have the triangle SQT. It's another triangle here. And if you note that we have the angle P is given as 26, and this angle here, sorry, may I press something else? And the angle here, this angle T here is 125. This is the exterior angle. Okay, it's exterior angle to this angle here. You have this triangle here to this second triangle here is exterior angle. So we want to deal with this only this exterior angle, because we are set to find this angle S. You understand? If I should draw this angle here, this angle, this triangle here, SQ T and P, if I should draw this angle, the diagram we have here, we have it in this format. It will be in this format. So let me try to sketch it out here. Okay, let's sketch it out here. So we have our angle. Okay, okay, we have the angle that is Q here. Okay, and we have angle S here. So this angle S was parallel to this, so it will be in this format. This angle S and this angle T here, and this is what P. And the angle that lies here, that is 125, okay, degree, okay, and this is the angle S we want to look at, so let's look for. So if you look at it now, this is exterior angle, and to find the exterior angle, it will be equal to sum the exterior angle here. According to the exterior angle, it's called the sum of the sum of the opposite interior angle. That means that this angle S here and this angle S here has a good angle Q here, it gives us 125. It gives us this exterior angle. To get this exterior angle, it will be sum of the opposite interior angle. This angle S here and this angle Q here, we get our exterior angle here. And in this place, we don't know the value of angle Q and we don't know the value of angle S here. So we are told to find this angle S, but with the help of this angle Q here, we can be able to find this angle S. Now, how do we get this angle Q? Now, to get this angle Q, let's consider the second part of this triangle. So if I should draw the second part of this triangle here, if I draw it out here, that is right angle triangle. So if I should sketch it out here, so we have the scale that is 90 degree, that is angle R, and this is angle P, and this is Q. So if you look at it now, okay, so this angle here gives us a 26. You have 26 here, okay, that is 26 here. Now to get this angle Q we have here, to get this angle here, so let's say this angle here is angle Y. Okay, so this is a triangle. Okay, you can say it in two ways, because to get the sum of this angle here and the triangle here, and to be this plus this will give us as this. You understand? This plus this, the angle P, and sum of angle P and sum of the angle Q will give us this angle 90 we have here. Or you can say sum of the angle in a triangle. Sum of the angle in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So let's use that. I think your formula much with that. So sum of this angle P, angle Q, P, R is equal to 180 degree. So that is sum of this angle P, okay, plus angle Q, okay, plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. That is sum of the angle in the triangle. As the angle P is equal to what? 26, okay, plus angle Q, which is Y, we represent as Y because we don't know it, plus angle R, which is angle 90, as 90 plus R will equal to 180 degree. So that let's collect the light time. We have a 26, okay, plus 90, okay, plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Now let me try to create space. So let's add this one together. 26 plus 19 That will give us, let me draw it, let me write then, 26 plus 90, that give us 116. That 116 plus y, okay, is equal to 180. Now let's take the light time. I'll take this either you collect light time or subtract 116 for both sides. It's the same thing. Okay, when you subtract 116 for both sides, subtract 116 from this place, this will become what? Y equal to, that is 180 minus 116. When you take it to the other side there, turn to minus here. Now let's subtract this from 180. Let's subtract from 180. So let's subtract it from 180. So that will be 180 minus 116, that's equal to, that is 64. So that means that the value of y is equal to 64, which is this angle here. We have 64 degree, okay, and that will be given, okay, with the diagram we have here. Okay, the diagram we have here, that will be that our angle Q here, the angle Q, sorry, this angle Q here, okay, is equal to 64 degree. Okay, it's equal to 64 degree. Now, since I've gotten this now, we can make use of this to get this angle we have here. To get this angle here, so let's call this angle here as M. Okay, to get this angle here, that we can use this one to get the angle Q we needed here before we can solve this angle S. Now, to get this angle we have here, I represent as angle M. You consider the straight line S, Q, and R is angle that lies on a straight line. Let me try to sketch it out. So for better understanding, let me try to sketch it out. So let's say that this is the straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. Let's say that this is the straight line we have here. Okay, and this line that cut it now, that will bisect here, that is angle Q. Okay, and this place will get as 64 here. So this place we represent as angle M. That is what we are looking for. And this is angle S, and this is angle R. Okay, this is the angle R. So this one will give us as angle R. Okay, now in this place now, to get this angle M here, consider the angle on a straight line. An angle that lies on a straight line, the sum of the angle that lies on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So that means that we add this one, this angle M here plus the angle 64 here, that is equal to 180 degree. So that means that we have angle M, okay, plus, okay, angle 64 equal to 180 degree. That is angle, sum of the angle on a straight line. That's sum of the angle on a straight line. So now the next thing to do here now, let's subtract, to count this 64 from this part here. You subtract both sides by 64 or take this one to the other side. So when you subtract both sides by 64, that means that we have our M equal to 64 minus 64 here, it cancel. So let's subtract it from the other side here. That is 180 minus 64. Okay, 180 minus 64, that gives us 116 degree. So that means that the angle we have here is 116 degree. Okay, that's 116 degree. So if we come to this, what we have here, that means that this our angle M here is equal to 116 degree. Understand? It's got a 160 degree. So therefore, it's got to get our angle, this S here. I said that this angle 125 here is a stereo angle, and to get this stereo angle here is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle, which is what angle S and angle Q will give us this stereo angle, which is equal to 125. Now let's consider it here. Let's say the sum of the angle here it will be equal to 125. So that's 125, that is the exterior angle. 125, which is the exterior angle, that is exterior angle 125 is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle, and sum of the angle S, okay, plus sum of the angle what? Q. Okay, and our angle Q is one we represent as M. So this one we represent as M when we saw it that time, that's represent as M, and our M is equal to 116. So that means that we have a 125, okay? 125 equal to angle S, which is what S, one represent as said, that is what we are looking for. That was the angle we are charging for. Now let's be plus 1, this angle Q, which is angle M, and this is what we get as 116, that is 116 degree. Now the next thing here now, subtract 160 for both sides. So I'll take this 160 to the other side there, return to minus M. So it means our S now, so that means that our S, sorry, it is space. So that means our S is equal to, now let's take this on the side there, that is 125, okay, 125 minus 116. So let's subtract it for 116. That will give us as 9. Okay, so that's our S now. Our angle S is equal to, that is 9 degree. So the value of S is equal to 9 degree. So if you come to this the question here, so that is option what? Option A. So option A is the correct answer to this mathematical expression. This is the correct answer. That's option A, and that is the step by step to solve this mathematics question. You can say, let me try to zoom in small so you guys can see the complete solution of it. So you can say this is step by step on how to solve this mathematics question. You can say it's very simple. Thank you guys. Follow us for more question of today. Thank you. God bless you.